You just got into a fender bender on your way to run a quick errand. What should you do now? Here are a few steps on how to react to make sure the process goes as smoothly as possible. Get out of your vehicle and provide assistance to anyone who is injured. Call the police or highway patrol immediately. Take photographs of your damaged vehicle and the scene. Note the date and time the images were taken. Protect the accident scene by setting up flares, putting up cones, or moving the vehicle off the road. Once the police arrive, give as much information as you can about what occurred. Do not admit fault, simply give the facts. Ask the investigating officer for a copy of the police report, as you may have to submit it with your insurance claim. Take as many notes and write down as many details as you can remember about the accident, and then call your insurance agent to report your claim. Keep all records of correspondence that you have regarding your claim, including the date, name, and title of the people that you talked to about the accident. Keep a record of any expenses that you incurred as a result of your accident. Depending on your insurance policy, you may be entitled to reimbursement. It sounds easy, but we sometimes forget to do this after an accident for one reason or another. It's important to get the names, address, phone numbers of everyone involved. Also gather a description of any cars, license plate numbers, make sure that you get the insurance company information and vehicle identification number of anyone involved when you're at the scene of the accident. Our insurance advisors are available to assist you during the claims process. Just give us a call. We're here to help.